Today my topic is fractions. Friends, if you haven't watched my last video in which I have discussed some basics about fractions, that what are fractions and the various types of the fractions, you can visit to my YouTube channel and watch there. Now my next topic is converting unlike fractions into like fractions. For converting unlike fractions to like fractions, we have simply take out the LCM of the denominators and then finally convert them into the like fractions. For example, to convert 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 into like fractions. For this, the denominators are 3 and 5. We have to take the simply LCM of 3 and 5, which comes out to be 15. Now we have to convert these two fractions with the denominator 15. For simply, we will multiply 3 5s are 15. So we are going to multiply 2 by 3 by 5 by 5, which comes out to be 10 by 15. And 4 by 5, we will multiply it with by 3 by 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now both the fractions are having the same denominator, and the fractions which are having the same denominators are known as the like fractions. Now what are simple fractions? Simple fractions are the fractions in which the numerator and the denominator both are simple whole numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 7 and 13 by 15, etc. All these are simple fractions. As you can see that 2 by 3, 2 and 3 are the whole numbers, 4 and 7, 13 and 15, all these are the whole numbers. So these are known as the simple fractions. The another one is the complex fractions. Complex fractions are the fractions in which the numerator or the denominator are the another fractions. For example, 1 by 2 by 3. 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 5. 2, 1 by 3, 3, 4 by 5, etc. All these are the complex fractions in which either the numerator or the denominator or both the numerator and the denominator are fractions or mixed fractions. These are known as the complex fractions. Now we know about the complex fractions, but how do we simplify these complex fractions? These complex fractions, first convert these fractions into simple fractions and then simplify them. For example, we have a complex fractions 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 7. Now how do we simplify this? For simplifying this, we convert it then 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 7, which is 2 by 3 multiplied 7 by 5. It comes out to be 7 2s are 14 and 5 3s are 15. 14 by 15. So we have simplified a complex fraction into a simple fraction. The another example we can go for is 1 by 3, 4, 1 by 2. So here you can see that both are the mixed fractions. Now first of all we will convert these mixed fractions into these simple fractions. It comes out to be 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3 and 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Now here this is the complex, both are the complex fractions. This we have to simplify now. 7 by 3 divided by 9 by 2. This comes out to be 7 by 3 into 2 by 9. 7 2s are 14, 9 3s are 27. So this is the simplification of this complex fraction. Now our next topic is comparisons of the fractions. How do we compare these fractions? For example, if we are having a set of fractions 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 by 5 and so on. Can we compare these fractions? Can we arrange them in ascending or descending orders? Can we tell which one is the bigger fraction and which one is the smaller fraction? It is very simple. For this, we have to convert all these fractions into the like fractions. For taking the like fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Now the denominator comes out to be 30. So each fraction has to be converted with the denominator 30. For example, 2 by 3. If we have to convert the denominator into 30, we have to multiply it with by 10. 10 by 10 means 20 by 30 and so on. 3 by 2, 15 by 15, 45 by 30. 1 by 2 means 15 by 15, which comes out to be 15 by 30. 4 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6, which comes out to be 30 as a denominator and 24 as a numerator. Now all these fractions have been converted with the same denominator. To compare these fractions, the bigger the numerator, the bigger is the fraction. So the least fraction over here is 15 by 30, means 1 by 2. And on the second position is the 2 by 3, means 20 by 30. This comes second. Next, the third one is 4 by 5, means 24 by 30. And the last one is 45 by 30, means 3 by 2. Now we can arrange them accordingly. If it is required, we have to arrange them in ascending order, then from the smaller number to the greater fraction, and descending order from the greater fraction to the smaller one. And if we want to compare it, which one is greater, which one is less, suppose we have to compare by 2 by 3 by 3 by 2. So this means in both these two we have to compare. So 45 by 30 is bigger fraction than 20 by 30. So 3 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3 and so on. Like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.